Hi, welcome to VirtualBox. We're going to talk about how to install VirtualBox version 6.1 for Windows. So once you go to virtualbox.org, you can just click on Downloads. From here you have the Windows version, Mac, Linux, and Solaris. So go ahead and click on your version. The installation part will be somewhat similar. Once you double click to open it up, you begin the installation wizard. So it's going to walk us through installing. Here you can see we're going through the setup. It's saying welcome to VMware or VirtualBox. Here it gives us our additional settings. If we want to change the default settings, I recommend just keeping them and then hitting next. And then if you don't want a shortcut in your desktop or your quick start menu, then just leave the default and then hit next. Here it's going to install an additional network interface, so we're going to go ahead and say yes. So now it's going to install the components that we can then run our virtuals from. This will take a few minutes, so I will speed through this. Now that we've finished installing, here we can either uncheck or check the start. So that just means we leave the checkbox. Once we have finished, this will start up the VirtualBox itself. And then here is what VirtualBox kind of looks like. So we have a couple menu options. So we have new. So if we have a new VM, so here we would type in the name of the VM we want to go through, the type. Are we using a Microsoft, Linux, Solaris, BSD, OS2, Mac, or whatever? Because VirtualBox or all virtualization needs to know what platform you're kind of going with. So let's just keep it on Microsoft, and then here you can see here's the different versions that it can support. The better, if it's on the list, you're better off using it. So just note, you may or may not be able to run 64-bit if you're running if your desktop operating system is a 32-bit, you will not be able to run a 64-bit version of the virtualization, just so you're aware of that. And then we can go to the export mode, and then that gives us more advanced features. Well, that includes the tutorial on how to install VirtualBox. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.